In this video, I want to show you how to print using your Samsung Galaxy A26 or A36. It's very easy. So the first thing is we need to find the file that we want to print. If it's a picture, you can go ahead and go in your gallery and you're going to find your picture, tap on it, and then you're going to tap these three dots right over here. If it's a PDF file that you have on your phone or maybe another file, another type of file, you need to go into the Samsung app. So drag up from the bottom of the screen, tap on Samsung, and then select My Files. Over here, usually once you open My Files, it should look like this. And from here, you select internal storage and you'll be able to go and find the file and where it's located. So let me go in my documents and I will have to select the file that I want to print. But in my case, it's a picture, so I'll select this picture. I'll open it with gallery. So once you tap the three dots, select print. Now, a very important thing is that your printer needs to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Samsung phone. It should be already connected, and depending which model you have, it will be slightly different on how to connect your printer to. So once you're over here, you're going to go on select printer on the top, and your phone will scan for all the printers that are currently on the same Wi-Fi network. Here it has found 2 of them. Select the one you want to use, and now click on this small arrow and make sure that the paper size is the right one. Over here you can select if you want to print in color or black and white. Do you want to print on both sides of the paper, if your printer is compatible, and other settings. Once you are done and you're ready to print, you're going to click on this printer icon. And you can also click yes if it's offered to you. Wait a few seconds and the print is now sent to the printer. I can already hear my printer working, starting to take the paper. And if you drag down from the top left corner, you can see over here the current status. And in my case, it's currently printing. So this is why you see what you see over here. You can even click on the small arrow and you'll get the name of your printer just to confirm. Alright, here we go. We got our print. So this is about it. I hope this was useful. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below.